Crypto Lover Trading Group, Monday morning. All right, welcome back. This is the Libertarian Cryptologist. We are going to be looking at back testing today. I've always told all of you, everybody, back test everybody. Anybody who gives you any information on Twitter, on social media, anywhere on social media, YouTube, you should always back test what their calls were. Don't ever let them off the hook, okay? Especially if that's where you're getting your information from. I don't recommend that. Okay, that's the only place. You also need to use on-chain metrics and also need to use technical analytics. Be aware, what we're covering right now is a back test on our call on Friday. But also be aware that those people on Twitter, on YouTube that tell you they don't use technical analytics for crypto are lying to you, okay? They are using momentum indicators, all right? Anytime you hear someone tell you directional trading, they are using momentum indicators, okay? We primarily use two momentum indicators. That is the RSI and that is the MACD. So back on Friday, what was it that made me, call Ethereum bouncing? Okay, so what is it? Now, so many people when they make trades, when they make winning trades, they don't go back and back test their win trades. When they make losing trades, and yes, everybody has losing trades, mates. They may not put it on YouTube, okay? But they have losing trades, okay? Because that's just what happens in crypto, okay? Back testing a losing trade. What went wrong? What were you seeing in the market? And why wasn't that trade successful? What happened? Was there any kind of FUD? Was there any kind of news? Was there any kind of thing? Or did you just misread the technical analytics of the underlying asset? Okay, so we're going to look at the 4 hour on Femex. We always start with the 4 hour. So what was it on Friday, November 12th, that made us call buy up on Ethereum? And where are we now 72 hours later with Saturday and Sunday in the middle? We're bookending Friday and Monday morning now. So we are going to open this up on the 4 hour again on Femex Exchange. Here we're at. We entered at 4,551. That was when the signal happened on Friday. Buy up on the signal. That's up. It's actually 486.8%. Okay. Now, why was that signal? Okay. So you always want to back test the signal. The signal went off at 40. Okay. How did we know that 40 RSI was the level? Okay. And I have this opened up on both RSI so you really can see this. Okay. In the video, because we knew the trailing 2-week average RSI for bouncing was 40. You saw one here. You saw one here. It happened again after Friday. Okay. It happened again. Okay. This morning. All right. Back off, bouncing. Go back test this whole RSI chart. Okay. And you're going to go all the way back to the end of October where it fell below 30 and bounced. Okay. But look before that. See that? It never really fell below 40. Okay. And so that's what you want to know for the last 30 days, that when it hit that 40 level RSI. Now, you may not time it exactly, mates. Okay. That's what happens in this market. But you can see here what's happened. It bounced. Okay. And that's what's happening right now. And so the reverse of that is going to become true. We're going to look to exit this trade in Ethereum. RSI QRT. What does QRT stand for? QRT stands for quick reverse trade, meaning as soon as I exit my open long buy up, I'm going to immediately buy a sell down. Why? Because if I exited the trade, I obviously think that the market has topped short term for Ethereum, right? And it's going to go down. So why not capture the gains here? See that top here? See that top here? Capture the gains there. Take some of your gains, buy a sell down, play it back down to the 40 level, exit here, QRT, and then you get that move up, okay? And that's how you want to play it. Here, from this line, back down to here, then back up, okay? And that's how you really want to focus on your trading, in that short-term period. And that's how you play that 40, whatever their asset is. For Bitcoin, it's below 30, okay? So for Ethereum, it can be 30 to 40 range or 35, 45 range. You've got to look at it, and you've got to take a look at your RSI chart and find that ground that always is the level in which it bounces off of. And that is the equivalent of your IOMAP barrier, okay, for support.